Hey guys, what do you think about this noise? Sounds like lifters to me. Also got some like antifreeze here, some here. This thing's like broken off, so I think it's leaking through there. Yeah, it's fucking soaked in there. Alright, see you guys. Tell me what that noise is.